them all quiet today, all solemn. Hello, everybody.
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up,
Okay, Camperdown High School, Tarrant High School, yes? Hello.
I don't understand.
All
I want to hear some reggae music today.
Yeah,
I've
got my hat and everything ready for the whole
Okay, hold on.
You hear something that come through? Hey, we're jamming. We're jamming.
Yeah, this is right.
You hear it?
Who can sing?
Oh, yeah.
Let's try it. Nice. Anyway, welcome to Daytime Live. Today's Friday. Yesterday was the 75th birthday of reggae legend Bob Marley. Big up on yourself. I'm sure everybody have a favorite Bob Marley song for them go to. Like, you know, sometimes when you're in our vibes, you just want to hear a specific song to bring you out of the vibe. Bob Marley have a whole heap of those songs too.
True.
No, so you must have a favorite.
You know what? My favorite song, which is kind of obvious, is Woman, Hold Your Head and Cry.
Oh, that's obvious.
Because, you know, I'm that kind of person. So dramatic and deep and emotional, you know. What's your favorite song?
I don't really do favorites, you know. I have a whole heap of Bob Marley song I like War.
Everywhere is war.
Until the philosophy that all one race superior and another. Yeah. We'll go through the whole song. I start with the speech and thing, the Haile Selassie speech and thing. And, you know, them things are very important to me. And it's a serious thing. And it's very pertinent to everything that's happening now too. Because really and truly, unless everybody view everybody else as equal,
right.
It's gonna be war.
War.
You see World War III go for start the other day.
It is start like a bit and then it rescinded. You know.
Anyway, we want to big up our live audience here today. Big up on yourself. What Camperdown and Tarrant there today? Yeah. Big up. Let me tell you something. Don't afraid for real up and get a vibe and the teacher they catch you till after the show.
They're making me all nervous, all quiet. You know. All right, guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media. On Instagram, it's at TVJ_Daytime Live. But on Facebook, it's TVJ Daytime Live.
And remember that if you want to be a part of the awesome studio audience, I'm here again. Mad. All you have to do is log on to TVJamaica.com and get listed, or you can just come on by.
That's right. So, Craig, what's buzzing? What's happening out in the world right
Hold
now?
on, before that, we have to make sure them understand that them can catch the back episodes, because sometimes they miss we live, you know.
True.
Yeah,
So how them catch the back
you can always check onespotmedia.com and catch the back episodes, or you can check YouTube and just search for Daytime Live TVJ. And what did they say?
Sound good. So you mentioned Bob Marley earlier. What's going on with that?
All right, so Bob Marley enjoyed an unexpected treat yesterday. The fans enjoyed an unexpected treat yesterday when the new music video was premiered. So it was the video for the anthem Redemption Song, which is a timeless classic, and I'm sure that the video is going to be a timeless classic as well. So it was a full animated project, the Redemption Song video created by French artists Octave, Marcel, and Theo de Gutsu, I think, and the stats are very impressive. They said that 2,747 original drawings were used for the video.
Wow.
Now, me can't even draw one drawing. Them have 2,747 in our one music video.
Wow, that's amazing.
Anyway, so the producers also said that they used powerful symbols to amplify the magnitude of the song's timeless lyrics and the importance of that in today's world.
Yeah, that's
so
amazing.
Bob Marley sing that song from then, and it's still applicable now.
Yeah.
But I think we have some of the videos still. We can take a look at some of the video.
All right, I'm excited about that. It's going to be nice.
This is not an easy thing.
Not an easy video.
I didn't realize that it was pencil sketches. It's a serious thing.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah, man, it's really
And
cool.
I will say this song, Redemption Song, it's iconic in itself. It's special. You know what I mean? It's a really great song.
Yeah, man.
And the words in it is just emotional. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, it's a song that definitely touch your soul. And it definitely enrich and lift your vibe.
Yeah.
But I see what I'm saying about the imagery still. Because I see some flags. I won't tell you which country flags I noticed still. I see some flags in the background going with some things. But it's cool. Like, this is a video where I sit down and watch to see if I can pick out everything.
Definitely. And I love the emancipate yourself from mental slavery. For me, that's one of my favorite quotes from any Bob Marley song. You know what I mean? Because I feel like even now, so many years later, I feel like it's not something that we give a lot or enough attention to know that some of the things that we think growing up is the truth, is not the truth. Some of the things that we believe to be what we believe to be is not what is. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we all still have a lot of work to do about emancipating ourselves from mental slavery. I love that. That's my favorite line.
Yeah, so, it's one of those things. I mean, it's difficult to educate while at the same time expecting somebody to unlearn things. You know what I mean?
It's hard to unlearn, yeah.
Because I mean, after you have habits that you've built over the years based on the things that you know, to understand that you need to unknow them.
Yes.
To know new things is a difficult thing sometimes.
Especially when you thought that thing was the thing.
Yo, teachers, I don't know how to do it.
Yes. Thank God for our teachers. We got the teachers
yeah,
in the room. We got the teachers. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? Helping with emancipation. I love it. All right. So in other news, I don't know how many of you are familiar with this story. Gail King has criticized her employer, CBS, for sharing a salacious and out-of-context clip of her questioning basketball icon Lisa Leslie. This was about allegations leveled against the late Kobe Bryant. The CBS This Morning anchor came under fire Wednesday from rapper 50 Cent and other fans as well after
Jamaica with a gear.
She's saying,
crazy.
Does it tarnish how she, the best friend, views him? Which I also think is like, they're still best friends. This happened 15 years ago and they've been best friends since. So why are you going to ask, if it was a problem, ask him. And what she said in the interview, that was really, really good. She said, you all had 15 years to ask him. So if you had a problem with anything that was happening, you could have asked him 15 years ago. Now he's dead. You want to now be like, well, you know, he did. If you had questions to ask, go ask the man long time. No, he's not here. Let him rest in peace. Yeah. You can tell what my thoughts are, right?
I agree.
Okay.
No, man, I agree. I agree with that, man. I mean, these things, the controversy will always happen, especially when you're in the public eye. There will always be some form of scrutiny. People are going to watch every little thing you do. But things that you do might not necessarily be the things that they would do. And them judge all the time. But at the end of the day, what you did will always go down in the record books. And what you did is down in the record books. Big up yourself, Kobe. Rest in peace.
All right.
That means it. Yay!
I was trying to clap, but the sleeve.
The sleeve.
It was like,
right. It's the thought that counts.
I was clapping, honest.
Anyway, so all right, the next thing now. So Chinese whistleblower, this is a doctor who warned the public of a potential SARS-like infection last year. He died of a coronavirus in Wuhan City. So several media reports said on Thursday that Li Wenliang, who is 34, he was reprimanded for spreading rumors, quote unquote, about the disease. He died after contracting the coronavirus. So the doctor lost his life in the hospital where he was kept under observation for several years. Li, who worked in the hospital in Wuhan City, which is the epicenter of the epidemic, pointed out the dangers of the disease on social media, which he stated that 7 patients affected by the new type of coronavirus were quarantined, and now he's dead from the same virus. So he's right. The rumors, quote unquote, of them saying was spreading were actually factual.
Yeah.
So this is the thing, like, I mean, a lot of people are saying that it was a cover-up by the government. They were saying that, you know, they kind of shut him up because he was talking about this thing that, quote unquote, never existed, but it appears that it does exist, as you can see. People all over the world, really, are getting infected. So, I mean, this thing is, coronaviruses, because corona is a type of virus, so SARS, MERS, all of them is the same kind of thing, it's coming from the same place. Them all over the place and they're very serious. You know, lives have been lost. So please take the precautions. We'll publish the precautions. Check RJR Gleaner. Check all of the social media posts that we have put up about what to do in order to take precaution against the virus. It's really just a hygiene thing. So just protect yourself. You know what I mean? You never know.
That's right. Yeah, all right. On that very sad news, be careful, look after yourself. Daytime Live will be right back. And we are talking to IT and Shawnee McGraham about Sagicor Sigma Run. Join us after the break.